What's going on, guys? For those that don't know and have maybe only seen me talking about the Surface Duo in a lot of other videos, on November the 5th, which would be a Thursday, which would be exactly 1 week ago right now while I'm filming this on the 12th, my Surface Duo started doing a rather strange thing. It started shutting off. When I would try to power it back on, I'd get a low battery symbol, even though the battery was not low. I could plug it in and unplug it. It would boot up, and then after maybe 2 or 3 minutes, it'd shut off again. So on November 5th, I applied for my warranty, my exchange. It was part of the warranty for the Surface Duo. On the 6th, I shipped it out. Well, about 15 minutes ago, coincidentally, while I was cooking my delicious hamburger lunch here, I received in the mail this. This should be my new, hopefully, Surface Duo. I know it's not my old Surface Duo. Maybe hopefully it's not someone else's old Surface Duo. So what I wanted to do here is I wanted to just show unboxing this, opening it up, and I wanted to see live reaction here. Okay, here's what you're going to get. If you have to warranty out your Duo, here's the experience I had, and here's what you might get in your box. So first and foremost, really all you have to do is go to account.microsoft.com/devices. You should see your Surface Duo there. If you don't see it, you can add it in via the serial number. And it's pretty straightforward from there to actually initiate the warranty exchange. They're going to email you a PDF that will have the shipping instructions on it. I ran to my local UPS, got that printed out, slapped it on a box there, out the door it went, easy peasy. After about 4 days, it arrived in El Paso, Texas. Then later on that day, they shipped out the replacement. 2 days later, here it is. So without any more kind of waffling around, let's crack this one open and see what is inside. So I've actually seen online other people getting in, maybe you'd call it a refurbished device, and I've also seen other people getting in a brand new device. All right, box in a box. Okay, let's set that down there. And now we have some tape. Obviously, this is not the retail packaging. So this could indicate one of two things. This could indicate this is a refurbished device. This could indicate that this is a device that was set aside for warranties. Now, this is not a super unusual thing for companies to do, to set devices aside for warranty. Really going to be hard to say which one it is. So they did give me another bumper. So that is cool. Yep, fresh bumper in there, fresh SIM tool in there. There is the Duo sitting there inside in this weird little plastic coating. Okay, so now here's the question. Does this look or feel like it's a refurbished device? I'm going to say no, and the reasoning here is actually because of the hinges. These bits here picked up scratches really, really quickly, and there is nothing of the sort on this one. Strangely enough, there's this, it's only here. That is very odd. Huh. I don't know what to make of that. The Duo is back in my hands. Feels good to have it back in my hands. I'm going to eat my lunch. I'm going to pop my SIM in this guy, and we're going to go from there. Stay tuned on Twitter @ScaryIfLiteral. I'll be tweeting sort of my thoughts, and there will also be a video coming about how it felt to be rocking a normal phone for the last week or so, and how I will feel transitioning back. So like I said, stay tuned for more coverage of that. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends. If you enjoy my content, please consider becoming a Scary If Literal member. You'll get access to a whole bunch of emoticons to use with live streams and a shout out on an upcoming video. Thanks as always for your continued support.